In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register a Systeme.io account. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to streamline your business operations or just curious about Systeme.io, this guide will walk you through the registration process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Systeme.io website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Systeme.io in the search bar. Once you're on their homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The site is user-friendly and designed to make your experience as smooth as possible. Now on their homepage, you'll notice a button that says Start for Free Now. It's usually highlighted to catch your attention, so it shouldn't be difficult to spot. Go ahead and click on that button. This will direct you to the next step in the registration process. At this point, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Now, it's important to use an email address that you have easy access to. You'll need it to verify your account and for any future communications from Systeme.io. Type your email address into the designated field. Double-check to make sure you've entered it correctly to avoid any issues later on. Once you've entered your email, the next step is to click on the Get My Free Account button. This is your gateway to accessing all the tools and resources that Systeme.io offers. Clicking this button will initiate the process of creating your new account. After this, check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Systeme.io. If you don't see it immediately, don't forget to check your spam or junk folder just in case it got filtered there by mistake. The email will contain a link or further instructions for completing your registration. Follow those instructions carefully. And there you have it. You've successfully registered for a Systeme.io account. With your new account, you can now explore all the features available, from building sales funnels to managing email marketing campaigns and much more. Systeme.io is a powerful tool, and with your account set up, you're ready to start taking advantage of all it has to offer. If you encounter any issues during the registration process, Systeme.io has a support section on their website where you can find additional help. Or feel free to reach out to their customer service for assistance. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting you started with Systeme.io. Be sure to explore all its features and see how it can benefit your business or project. Until next time, happy exploring.